Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Welcome to everyone to MOCA Fest. My name is Adib. This is Herwan. This is Andy, Baba Andy. On bass, Yan. On the oud, Sharadi Malodawila. Percussion, Hafiz Udu. Azhar and me, we call ourselves the Caravan of Praise. We're gonna entertain you guys with some songs.
InsyaAllah.
Tapi kita orang akan menyanyi dalam bahasa Melayu. Because we got a lot of bahasa today and tomorrow. So we're gonna start it with a Bismillah. And I want to say thank you and welcome to my friend Mamu with his janggut. Mr. Mamu for 27.
Yes, sir. Have a seat, guys. Have a seat.
Please have a seat. We can entertain you guys with the music. If you don't understand, just smile and be happy, yeah?
That's our tagline for today.
Yeah.
Smile and be happy.
Want to say welcome to our friend Asad, Umar, everybody.
Johar.
Welcome out to Malaysia, man.
And before we start, can we give a big hand to everybody who's been working hard to get this thing started? Calvin and his crew, Alex, Abang Jamil.
To the people involved and responsible for everything that's happened here.
Ma'am Iman Salam right there. Big hand for her.
You don't need to put your head on the back. Tak payah tengok depan. Just look in front. We know who you are. Bismillah. 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 Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Everybody, let's join us. Bismillah, Bismillah, Bismillah. Bismillah, Bismillah, Bismillah. Bismillah, Bismillah, Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Come on in, kids. Come on in.
Come on. Come inside. Okay, together, selawat. Bismillah.
Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Okay, this one, we need you guys to help us, okay? You get what?
Just make yourself happy. Clap your hand.
Big hand
You
up
gotta
for
say your hands, yeah?
Marcus. Hey! Marcus. Marcus, why don't you come in front?
Give a round of applause for Mr. Marcus.
What happened to the claps? Come on. Wayuhina akan takwa bila meh nawala balwa. Wayuhina akan takwa bila meh nawala balwa. Bijahe Mustafa al-Mukhtar, bijahe Mustafa al-Mukhtar, bijahe Mustafa al-Mukhtar, bijahe Mustafa al-Mukhtar. Sa'altullah barina yuballiha al-Madina. Sa'altullah barina yuballiha al-Madina. Thank you, everyone. Welcome to MOCA Fest.
Yeah.
We got Tickster in the house. Why are the kids sitting at
Why
the
you-
back? Come on
yeah,
up
come
front.
in front.
Come on up front.
Come, kids. Your uncle is calling you. Come. Yeah, I'm 37. So, kids, come. Uncle calling you. Come. Sit in front. Come. See? Told you, your principal will call you. Come up. Mari, 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 mari. Mari. In Malay, in English, mari means come, come. Mari, mari.
Jangan potong mic.
Jangan potong.
It's yours. All right. I need your keys out. How was your number just now for a start?
How's everybody? Are you okay? Okay? Have a nice day? Taking your lunch? Siap liao? Me belum. Somebody answer in Malay, belum. Get in front here. Again, thank you guys for coming down. We are the Caravan of Praise. This is Marcus. He's always jamming with us. Today he will be with us again, jamming a few songs. Thank you, WIEF, MOCA Fest,
Big
for
hand,
inviting
bro.
us. Yeah.
WIEF. What happened to my voice?
Robot man. Robot man. Okay, the next number will be sang by my brother here, Shiradi, Ya Rasulullah.
عيشاني ودرجي يا رسول الله سلام عليك يا ربي عيشاني ودرجي أتبديتي وعلمي يا وحيد الجود والكرم يا رسول الله سلام عليك يا رفيع الجاه ودرجي يا رسول الله سلام عليك يا رفيع الجاه ودرجي أتبعياتي وكم علمي يا وحيد الجود والكرم Big hand for Marcus! كل بيت أنت ساكنه ليس محتاجا من السروج كل بيت أنت ساكنه ليس محتاجا من السروج ومريض أنت عامد قد أتاه الله بالفرج يا رسول الله سلام عليك يا رفيع الشان ودرجي يا رسول الله سلام عليك يا رفيع الشان ودرجي أثبت يديرة العالم يا وحيد الجود والكرم ربي فانفعنا ببركتهم واهدنا الحسنى بحرمتهم ربي فانفعنا ببركتهم واهدنا الحسنى بحرمتهم وأمدنا في طريقتهم وموافقتهم من الفتن يا رسول الله سلام عليك يا رفيع الشان
Yo,
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Everyone.
Yes, sir.
I'm
So-
sure they don't understand a bit. I'm sure they don't understand a bit about it.
What's not to understand? We were singing about the beloved. Everybody's fallen in love before, right? Kids? You guys love your mother, your father? Are you sure? Are they here?
How old are you guys? Berapa umurnya? Berapa umurnya? How old are you?
Let me ask my friend.
Okay.
You ialah berapa umur? You ialah yang
Where are you guys from? Which school? Which school? Huh? Oh yeah, I heard before. I also don't know. Heard only. Cannot. Okay, we only have like another 2 more minutes, 3 minutes. Yeah, we have until 2 only. It's nearly 2, inshallah. So, we're gonna do Zabin? Yeah. Let Marcus have his mic.
Okay, kids, this one.
And you, Azhar, you can come in front with me.
Anyone of you can dance? We need somebody who can dance from you guys. Anybody can dance?
Okay, let me introduce again. Actually, we are from a different kind of country, you know. I'm from my origins. Origin. I'm from Singapore actually, but I'm married here to a Malaysian, so I'm now a Malaysian. So it's from Malaysia. On my left is Malaysian. Syahradi is from Indonesia, Malang. Give a round of applause, please.
Oh, we got Indonesians in the house. Do we?
Mr. Marcus, say someone, man. Where are you from?
check, check, check. United States of America.
United States of America. Oh, you're not fair, you know, you all. Malaysia, you. Singapore, you. Indonesia, you smile. America, woo.
Being fair.
Be fair. I'm from Singapore.
Yeah.
Some of them are from Malaysia.
Yay.
Share is from Indonesia. And Marcus is from United States of America. You are still the same.
Even louder. Even louder.
Still the same. But wherever it is, here's our friend. Everybody in this world are friend. Are we true? Are we? Betul lah? Kita semua kawan. Betul lah? Okay lah, betul je lah. We got 5 minutes.
Alright, let's
So
go.
we're gonna entertain you guys with a local song. It's a local traditional song, but we're gonna play it our way. We call it the Zapin Budi. So anybody who from Malaysia who know how to dance through this song, please come up and teach the children how our
Yes.
traditional way. Inshallah. Bismillah.
Be our guest. Come up on stage and dance. start moving already.
Papan di Jawa, aduhai sayang. Papan di Jawa, dibelah-belah. Azan.
Kalaulah hidup tidak berbudi, umpama pokok, aduhai sayang, umpama pokok tidak berbuah.
See? Do you enjoy it? Okay, bunga selasih, di bunga padi, kembanglah mekar, aduhai sayang, kembanglah mekar di dalam taman.
Pertama kasih kedua budi, yang mana satu, aduhai sayang, yang mana satu nak didudukan. Datuk Laksmana, hai Datuk Laksmana, terbang ke hulu, berlayar kapal, aduhai sayang, berlayar kapal bawa dada. Hey!
Bagailah mana kapal lalu, walau sudah, aduhai sayang, walau sudah melengkung karang.
Bungalah padi, bungalah padi, bunga kiambang, buat hiasan, aduhai sayang, buat hiasan di taman bunga.
Buahlah hati, kekasih orang. Salah dan silap, aduhai sayang, salah dan silap, tolong maafkan. Okay, this is gonna be our last solo. I need everybody to clap your hands, yeah? We're gonna finish soon. So everybody, let's go. Hey, 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 hey. Everybody say hey with me. Hey, 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 hey. I cannot hear you. Louder. One more time. Okay, wait. One more. 1, 2. Hey, 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 hey. so much.
Thank you,
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
We are
wabarakatuh.
Caravan of Praise, Baba Andy, Azhar, Adib, Erwan, Sheikh, Yan, Hafiz, and also special guest Marcus. We love music because music doesn't know difference in age, music doesn't know difference in color, music doesn't know difference in race. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye. Chai Jian. Faham? Okay, bye.
How about
Check.
it's on? It's on. Yes, thanks. How about another round of applause for QT Sounds and Caravan of Praise? Thank you. Thank you so much. It was a great pick up and start to the session. Assalamu alaikum, welcome everybody. My name is Tasneem. I will be your MC for the next couple of days for this wonderful MOCA Fest celebration. It's so exciting to see a room full of people from different countries, different ages, different backgrounds, here to celebrate art in all its diverse and amazing forms. We have a jam-packed session today, tomorrow, and the day after filled for you with events from morning till night. We have art on display, we have souks, we have markets, we have stalls inside and outside. As far as the eye can see, there is some beautiful art to experience, to learn from and be inspired by. So I hope you take some lessons home from this. To begin with, I would like to acknowledge the partners for MOCA Fest, who are the Tempaten Fest, Aquila Style, and Eventor Asia. So a big round of applause for the partners. Otherwise, we wouldn't even have this celebration, so thank you. Look, this is a forum about showcasing talent. We have some talent from young, emerging artists. We have established artists. We have art in all its forms, from poetry, from music, from copper art. We have graphic design, we have film, we have writing, we have clothing, we have so many varieties here. You're going to hear some conversations today and tomorrow. You're going to witness some amazing poetry, and you're going to hear some spectacular music as well. Events like MOCA Fest are how we nurture art, how we encourage it, and how we create a space that celebrates 44 artists representing 20 countries meeting on this stage in this room. And you get to see it for free, so how wonderful is that? MOCA Fest is also a great link between art and business, because as we know, the World Islamic Economic Forum is being held at the same time, and what better opportunity for business and arts to meet than in a space like this that celebrates all our creative differences. I'm going to remind you of a few things. First of all, outside the front door in the hall, you are able to redeem your grab car voucher of 5 ringgits if you present your pass here for today. And for those of you who have family and friends who want to attend, please tell them to enter the MOCA Fest space from the Trades Hotel entrance. It'll be a lot easier that way. They don't have to go through as many difficulties getting in. And the artwork. If I can draw your attention to the artwork behind you and in the walls behind that, there's some incredible art. And the artists who have compiled this artwork, the creators of that, are all here today. So take a chance to go and meet with them, speak to them about what inspired them, and also know that this artwork that we have is only a sample of the vast amount of art on display in the exhibition level on ground floor, where there is a host, it's like an art gallery. Basically, it's an art gallery of artists across the world, and you get to see it for free. So how awesome is that? That's wonderful. We have a headline act, who's actually going to be our one of our final artists that we're going to see, and I want to remind you, El Cid, the world famous calligrapher and graffiti artist, is going to be here at MOCA Fest. Look out for him. I'll be making another announcement of that tomorrow. And we're also going to have a massive free musical concert, a Soundscape concert that's going to be tomorrow night. So I'll be reminding that about you tomorrow as well. We're now going to start using this space that we have here for 3 different activities. It'll take an hour for each activity, and you get to choose. Those of you who have an app would have seen what's on. Otherwise, it's been on programs all around. But essentially, on this stage, we're going to be having a workshop by a multimedia artist whose name is Feiruz Suleiman. He's going to be discussing motion, graphic, and audio work. That'll be here on this stage. In the workshop, and then we're going to have, in the section over there, which we're calling it a workshop area, we're going to have a sharing circle. A sharing circle is when we have artists who sit down, have a conversation, and you get to watch them have a conversation. It's totally organic, no one's rehearsed. And what often comes out of these sharing conversations are ideas, collaborations. So have you ever wondered how art initiatives like MOCA Fest happen? They all start off as an idea. So bear witness to some amazing ideas if you want to attend the sharing circle that's going to be held in the workshop section. There are beanbags and cushions. I should point out, for those of you who are standing, I know we don't have a lot of chairs left, but you're certainly welcome to sit down on the floor if you can find somewhere comfortable. Please don't touch the artwork. But from this point on, we're going to have people who want to see the workshop, who want to witness the graphic design multimedia workshop. It'll be from here. Those who want to witness the idea collaboration, it'll be in the workshop over there. I'll keep you posted of events throughout the day, but in between, please feel free to check out the souks and support local and international artists from amazing backgrounds. Thank you.